The information technology industry is developing, software products are born more and more, but the quality is still not guaranteed. So software testing plays a very important role in the product development process. Tools to support automation testing were born to assist QA/QC teams in the testing process, but there are still many shortcomings. With all free tools, users need to have more programming skills and set up a test environment. As for the expensive tools, the technical operations are still complicated. This affects the business process of the business, causing damage in terms of cost, time, and reputation of the business. To overcome these problems, we launched the Bottest testing tool, a unified cloud-based test automation platform that simplifies the auto-testing process. So what is the Bottest? Bottest provides a simple test automation tool so that testers or people with no coding skills can build tests without setting up the necessary, while still ensuring reliable tests and speeding up maintenance of automated tests at a low cost. With Bottest, test engineers, QA teams and business users can create, run and maintain automated tests easily so you can build high-quality applications faster. With the simple operations provided by our tool, you can easily customize test case fields, templates, workflow states, permissions and more. Shorten the process and save time. Bottest sets up reusable tests, test steps, or cycles, and then refines them before, during, or after execution. Capture complete visibility. Monitor your entire testing process and see test execution in real time. We provide features that you need. Can work with databases, test analysis function support, recording user operation confirmation, web UI test, API test, logic test, automatically creates unit tests, image comparison, email notifications, can schedule tests, video recording of test results. All the user actions are provided on web. Bottest integrates with C/CD, bug tracking and collaboration tools, enabling teams to build automated delivery pipelines. Sign up for a free trial now.